The Tesla Model Y uses a 12-volt auxiliary battery to power low-voltage systems like lights, windows, and infotainment when the car is off. This battery is charged by a DC-DC converter, drawing power from the main high-voltage battery. Knowing its function is key to maintaining your vehicle. The Tesla Model Y's 12-volt battery charges automatically in two main ways. First, while driving, the DC-DC converter draws power from the high-voltage main battery pack and steps it down to maintain the 12-volt battery at near full capacity. This float charging keeps you for auxiliary systems. Second, the battery charges when the vehicle is plugged in. Whether using a home charger or supercharger, the system ensures the 12-volt battery receives power through the same DC-DC converter mechanism. Tesla's software updates have significantly enhanced this charging process. Recent over-the-air updates, like version 12.5, improved DC-DC converter management to prevent over-discharge and boost efficiency by up to 70%. Current Model Y models include battery health monitoring through the Tesla app. Owners can check the 12-volt battery's state of charge and receive diagnostics, helping prevent issues before they occur. If you see a low battery warning on your Tesla Model Y touchscreen, the 12-volt auxiliary battery may be depleted and needs jump-starting. First, open the frunk and locate the positive plus terminal of the 12-volt battery. Also, identify a good ground point on the vehicle's frame for safe connection. Connect jumper cables to either another vehicle's 12-volt battery or use a portable jump starter rated for at least 500 cold cranking amps. Allow the battery to charge for 5 to 10 minutes before attempting to start the Model Y. This gives the 12-volt system time to regain sufficient power. After charging, try to start the Model Y. If successful, drive for 30 to 60 minutes to fully recharge the 12-volt battery through the vehicle's systems. Parasitic draws from systems like key fob receivers can drain the 12-volt battery when the car sits idle for extended periods. These draws can be measured using tools like a multimeter to identify excessive current drain. Tesla has improved this by transitioning to lithium-ion 12-volt batteries, which offer a longer lifespan and better resistance to sulfation compared to the older AGM batteries. AGM batteries were prone to sulfation and required processes like desulfation to restore capacity. This shift has resulted in a 70% reduction in replacement rates since pre-2023 models. Extreme cold can significantly impact the performance of your Model Y's 12-volt battery. At temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius, battery capacity and life decrease noticeably, making it harder for the battery to hold charge. If you're storing your Model Y for extended periods, consider using a trickle charger connected to the battery terminals. This prevents the 12-volt battery from draining completely while the vehicle sits idle. Tesla's software updates now include features that help throttle parasitic drains during storage, significantly improving the 12-volt battery's overall life and reducing the risk of premature failure. Tesla is evolving towards fully integrated battery management systems. Future models may use regenerative braking to charge the 12-volt battery more efficiently. Experts predict the elimination of the 12-volt battery entirely in favor of capacitor-based systems or direct power from the main pack, simplifying the electrical architecture. Experts in the automotive industry have praised Tesla's shift from AGM to lithium-ion 12-volt batteries. Automotive engineer Sandy Munro called it a game-changer for reliability, noting that the older AGM batteries were a weak link while lithium-ion matches the high standards of electric vehicles. Tesla's VP of Engineering, Drew Baglino, highlighted significant improvements in their data, stating that 12-volt battery failures have dropped 65% since 2023, thanks to better thermal management and software updates. Owner satisfaction has also risen dramatically. According to a 2025 J.D. Power survey, 85% of owners are satisfied with battery longevity, up from just 72% in the previous year. Failure rates tell a compelling story. Lithium-ion units fail at just 0.5% annually, compared to 3% for the older AGM batteries. Additionally, 12-volt battery replacements now account for only 2.1% of service claims, down from 4.5% in 2023. These improvements reflect Tesla's commitment to reliability and customer satisfaction. with zero safety recalls related to 12-volt systems in recent years and a focus on sustainable, long-lasting battery technology.